Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In this video, we continue our journey north on I-55 in Missouri. We begin at mile marker 77 in Scott County. The sun is starting to go down and we're still 99 miles from our scheduled stop of the first night, but we have to keep going. Exit 80 provides access to Missouri State Highway 77 in the city of Benton to the west and the village of Dealstadt to the southeast. Benton is the county seat of Scott County. Benton was settled in 1796 and platted in 1822. The community was named for Thomas Hart Benton, a United States Senator from Missouri. Benton was an architect and champion of westward expansion by the United States, a cause that became known as Manifest Destiny, a widely held cultural belief in the 19th century United States that American settlers were destined to expand across North America. Benton had an estimated population of 873 in 2019. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. The green sign here at exit 87 says PP, but I couldn't find a rest area on the map here at all. Exit 87 leads to the village of Kelso to the west over on US Highway 61. Due to a complicated junction a few miles ahead at Scott City, the sign here at exit 87 directs traffic for US 61 South to exit here. We enter Scott City, which lies mostly in Scott County and partially in Cape Girardeau County. Present-day Scott City is the result of the consolidation of the towns of Thornfelt, formerly known as Edna, and Ansell, and then later Ilmo, formerly known as Whippoorwill Hollow. At the exit 89 on-ramp, US 61 begins another overlap of I-55. We enter the city of Cape Girardeau, which has been extended south along I-55 into Scott County to include the Cape Girardeau Regional Airport within the city limits. The city is named after Jean-Baptiste de Girardot, a French soldier who established a temporary trading post in the area around 1733. The Cape in the city name referred to a bluff overlooking the Mississippi River. It was later destroyed by railroad construction. The city had a population of 39,540 as of the 2020 census. The city of Cape Girardeau has established a transportation trust fund that implements a 0.5% local sales tax. All of that money is used on transportation improvement projects. General projects are also included to keep the city's streets in good condition. In 2011, Cape Girardeau launched the Ride the City campaign. This dedicated 16 miles of bicycle lanes in city streets. We're now in Cape Girardeau County, officially organized on October 1, 1812 as one of the 5 original counties in the Missouri Territory after the U.S. made the Louisiana Purchase of 1803. The county had a population of 81,710 as of the 2020 census. Exit 93A leads to the former village of Dutchtown to the west, which had an estimated 96 residents in 2016. Then at exit 93B, the concurrency with US 61 ends, and we see the southern end of the Cape Girardeau I-55 business loop. I-55 business takes the shape of an S going through Cape Girardeau, then crossing I-55 and passing through the city of Jackson to the northwest before returning to I-55. Exit 95 also serves Cape Girardeau as well as the Southeast Missouri State University. Exit 99 is where US 61 and I-55 business cross I-55, heading to the west side of the interstate to pass through the city of Jackson. We conclude today's video at mile marker 101. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.